Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can install FiveM to another drive. It's kinda easy and straightforward, so without further ado, let's get started. So all you need to do here, you need to open a browser. You just need to go to FiveM and then press download client, agree. Then press, if the download doesn't start, press here. Then you need to save FiveM file to your drive where you want to install. So for me is disk D. Then you can give a folder. It really doesn't matter what name it is. And then just save exe file here, right? And once the download folder is finished, you can open up that particular file. And if I open up a directory, new directory, on the D drive, we can see that FiveM now is installing, basically FiveM is installing in that particular folder. So we just need to wait for a couple of seconds here. Then the FiveM will ask you to find GTA 5exe. For me it's desktop, not desktop, disk C. Then program files should be program files x86. Steam apps should be somewhere here. Downloading or common, and then it should be GTA, and then this file. And as you can see here, it's still uploading, and installation process has ended. So if I press on the exe file, we can see that the FiveM should work perfectly fine. So let me wait for a couple of seconds. And as you can see here, it's working, right? And if you want to get a shortcut, what I suggest you to do here is to just right click on FiveM, then you need to go to show more options, create shortcut or send to, and then to desktop, right? And that's pretty much it.